front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to launch Settings and tap on Connections. Then click on Bluetooth on the left and activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Now wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one you want to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request or accept it manually on a second one. Either way, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Now to manage connection to any of your paired devices, just click on gear icon next to the chosen one and operate all of those however you want to, like unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!